when fully loaded to time to 35,000 feet from brakes off in just 90 seconds. Way up to a service ceiling of 55,000 feet and beyond. Whilst maintaining this agility, it is necessary for a pilot to employ strict tolerance as well. +9 to -3. That is 9 times your body weight, an absolutely horrific amount of pressure and loading to bear, but he is aided by special equipment.